How to open a business bank account, a comprehensive guide. Starting a new business is an exciting venture, but amidst all the enthusiasm, it's crucial to lay a solid financial foundation. One of the first steps in doing so is opening a business bank account. This guide will walk you through the reasons why a business bank account is essential, the types of accounts available, and the steps to open one. Why open a business bank account? Professionalism. Separating personal and business finances gives your company a more professional appearance. Clients and customers will appreciate making payments to a business account rather than a personal one. Simplified accounting. Keeping business transactions separate from personal ones makes bookkeeping and tax preparation much easier. It allows you to track business expenses, revenues, and profits more accurately. Legal protection. A business bank account helps protect your personal assets. In the event of legal issues or debts, keeping your finances separate reinforces the limited liability protection offered by structures like LLCs or corporations. Building business credit. Establishing a business bank account is the first step in building business credit. This can help in securing loans or credit lines in the future. Types of business bank accounts. Checking accounts. Ideal for daily operations, paying bills, and making deposits. Look for accounts with low fees and features that fit your business needs. Savings accounts. Useful for setting aside money for future investments, taxes, or emergency funds. Higher interest rates can help your savings grow. Merchant services accounts. These accounts are necessary if your business accepts credit or debit card payments. They facilitate the processing of these transactions and ensure timely deposits into your business checking account. Payroll accounts. These are specifically designed to manage employee salaries, taxes, and benefits, streamlining the payroll process. Steps to open a business bank account. Choose the right bank. Research various banks and credit unions to find the one that offers the best terms, fees, and services for your business. Consider factors like location, customer service, online banking features, and additional services like merchant accounts or loans. Gather required documents. Banks require specific documentation to open a business account. Common requirements include 1. Personal identification, driver's license, passport. 2. Employer identification number, EIN or social security number for sole proprietors. 3. Business formation documents, e.g. articles of incorporation or organization. 4. Ownership agreements, e.g. partnership agreement or LLC operating agreement. 5. Business license or permits. 6. Proof of address, utility bills or lease agreements. Visit the bank. While many banks allow you to start the application process online, you might need to visit a branch to finalize your account setup. Bring all the necessary documents with you. Complete the application. Fill out the bank's application form, providing all required information about your business and its owners. Make an initial deposit. Some banks require an initial deposit to activate your account. Make sure you meet any minimum balance requirements to avoid fees. Set up online banking. Once your account is open, enroll in online banking to manage your account conveniently. This will allow you to check balances, transfer funds, and pay bills from anywhere. Order checks and cards. Order business checks and a debit card linked to your account. These will be necessary for making payments and purchases. Link to accounting software. Integrate your new business account with your accounting software, e.g. QuickBooks, Xero, to streamline your financial management. Tips for managing your business bank account. 1. Monitor transactions regularly. Keep an eye on your account activity to spot any unauthorized transactions quickly. 2. Maintain a healthy balance. Avoid overdraft fees by ensuring your account always has enough funds to cover your business expenses. 3. Utilize account alerts. Set up alerts for low balances, large transactions, or unusual activity to stay informed about your account status. 4. Review fees. Regularly review your bank's fee structure and account features. 4. If your needs change or fees become too high, consider switching to a different account or bank. Conclusion. Opening a business bank account is a crucial step in establishing and maintaining the financial health of your business. It provides professionalism, simplifies accounting, protects personal assets, and builds business credit. By following the steps outlined above, you can choose the right bank and account type to meet your business needs and ensure smooth financial operations from the start.